Welcome to our deep dive into the world of private market investments. Today, we're uncovering a crucial tool that's transforming how investors find, evaluate, and manage their opportunities: data aggregators. If you're involved in private market investments, you know the unique hurdles. Unlike public markets, private data isn't readily available. This opacity can make informed decision-making incredibly difficult. The private market is often described as opaque, a murky landscape where critical information about companies, deals, and trends is fragmented, hard to verify, and largely inaccessible. This scarcity of reliable, centralized data poses significant challenges for investors. How do you find the right deals? How do you assess risk accurately? How do you monitor performance without a clear picture? Data is crucial, yet incredibly hard to find. This is where data aggregators step in, acting as essential navigators in this complex terrain. They are transforming the private market landscape, making it more transparent and accessible. So what exactly are data aggregators? Think of them as sophisticated intelligence platforms. They collect, process, and organize vast amounts of unstructured and disparate data from across the private market. By centralizing this information, they bring unprecedented transparency, offering a clear, comprehensive view that was previously impossible to achieve. They essentially shine a light into the darkest corners of the private market. One of the most significant impacts of data aggregators is on deal sourcing. Historically, finding promising private investment opportunities was a time-consuming and often serendipitous process. Aggregators streamline this by allowing investors to quickly identify potential targets based on specific criteria, such as industry, stage, location, or funding history. They provide powerful search and filtering capabilities, enabling users to pinpoint companies that fit their investment thesis with precision, rather than relying on chance or limited networks. Beyond sourcing, data aggregators are indispensable for robust due diligence. Once a potential deal is identified, the real work begins. These platforms provide a wealth of detailed information, including funding rounds, investor lists, key personnel, competitive landscapes, and even market sentiment. This comprehensive view is critical for thorough evaluation. With readily available data, investors can validate their investment hypotheses, assess risks, and gain a deeper understanding of a company's health and potential without extensive manual research. Their utility extends far beyond initial deal flow and due diligence. Data aggregators are also vital for ongoing portfolio monitoring and broader market trend analysis. They allow investors to track the performance of their existing portfolio companies, receive alerts on new developments, and compare their companies against market benchmarks, ensuring proactive management. Furthermore, these platforms offer macro-level insights into market trends, helping investors understand industry shifts, valuation trends, and investor activity across various sectors. Let's briefly highlight some of the leading data aggregators in the private market space: PitchBook, Crunchbase, and Tracxn. PitchBook is renowned for its comprehensive data on venture capital, private equity, and M&A. Crunchbase is widely used for startup funding and company information. Tracxn focuses heavily on emerging sectors and competitive intelligence. Each platform offers unique strengths, catering to different investor needs, from venture capitalists seeking early-stage innovations to private equity firms focused on mature companies and M&A opportunities. In conclusion, data aggregators are not just tools. They are foundational to modern private market investing. They address the inherent opacity of private markets, empowering investors with the data needed for intelligent deal sourcing, rigorous due diligence, effective portfolio monitoring, and strategic decision-making. Thank you for watching. We hope this educational video provided valuable insights into the indispensable role of data aggregators. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions.